Hey, how you guys doing? Well, guess what we're doing today? It's not rocket science. So I got 4 pecks of beets, and we're still cutting them up. And we're gonna do quarts today. That's 24 quarts. I've got the salt in it, and I've got my lids. This is my cleaning area, and these are my lids, and we'll clean those. And what we do here is, oh, look at this bee just got in here. Stupid bee. We're going to boil these down. These are the lids. So you want to put hot lids on there. We're going to cold pack, all right? And we're going to put it in this pressure cooker. We're going to go 10 pounds once it reaches pressure, and we're going to go for 30 minutes. We're using propane today. We, as you can see, we just finished our beans, and they look nice. They're still bubbling. Check it out. And you know, a lot of people will boil the beans first, you know, so they shrink, and I don't really do that. So I'm okay with that little bit of water in there, and there's nothing here but just beans and salt. So we did make a brine today. We're going to do pickled beets. And this is a little brine concoction, and we're gonna do the brine warm. I boiled this a little bit, and I'm letting it cool down. I don't want, because I'm doing the jars cold. And hey Angela, hey Olga, how you doing? We're canning today, Friday. Leo.
Hello, Olga.
Hi. Hi.
I've got an audience here. Olga, you know everybody. And so anyway, so I made my brine here, and instead of using vinegar, we're using apple cider vinegar. It's a little bit better. And so I've got all this in here, and I'm not going to get into the recipe. Everyone's got their own. You can look them up. This is the put away table. It's because we use this whole backyard as an outside kitchen for a couple of months, because we can't possibly do this in the house without trash in the house. So I kind of cover this all up with plastic tarps. We have a few beans that are left over. We got all our little tools that we use. And so there's our cleaning station. Olga says hi.
Hi, Olga.
And so we're going to get back to work. We got to put onions in here, and Leo's cutting up onions. Let's go over to the cutting table. And then this is from my garden. We're still got to process that. That's for my freezer. We're cleaning out the freezer today. That's left over. We did a whole entire bushel of greens, and maybe I'll show you what they look like in the pressure cooker. So that's Leo. Don't chop your finger off. You're live on. He's getting the garlic ready. These are giant garlics, and then we're going to do also the. We're going to mix in the beets. We're going to do onion and garlic. That's it. We still got to process all that. We're working on that, and we'll probably finish processing tonight. You know, we're gonna do a couple different cooks. All right, this is our second cook, and let me see if I can open up this can. We just finished this one, and this is the gauge we use. It goes at 10 psi, and this is the smaller pressure cooker. You can can too. There's a canner. See the canner right there? You know, I'm not canning because that's only at 220. And so when you go to higher temperatures like this, then, oh man, that's hot. And you can see this one only holds 7 quarts. All right, and let me pull one out for you. Okay, let me pull one out for you. And you can see here what it looks like. All right, so the color's still nice, and you know. Hey Joan, hey Jason, how you guys all doing? Today's we're pressure cooking today. I took a day off to do this, and so we've got a couple burners. Now I need some help. Tell me why these burners don't go really high. I can't get high flames on them. I can only get high flames on those smaller burners, number one. Number two, I'm running out of jars. So if any of you guys got jars in your garage, man, let me know. I want to pay a whole lot I'm kind of going broke on these things. But if you want to get rid of some of the jars, I don't care about the tops. I got tops, I got caps, I just need jars. I don't want those green old ones either. But hey, Joan Cannon, how are you? And that's my wife's little backyard. And this is beautiful, pretty looking beets. Beets and beans. Beets and beans. That's what we're doing today. Hey, thanks for coming on. This is our second cook. We're going to try to get 3 in today. You guys have a nice day.